How to disable shortcuts notification and banner pop-ups. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the shortcuts application on your device. Tap on the automation option you see there in the bottom center. Here you will be able to see all the automations you have created. Tap on the automation you want to make changes in. Now tap on the automation drop-down. You can see it is selected to run after confirmation, so go ahead and change it to run immediately. In the pop-up that appears, tap on Don't Ask. You will also see the option for Notify when run here now. Make sure the toggle button for Notify when run is toggled off. Now tap on Done. With this, you will successfully disable shortcuts, notification, and banner pop-ups. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.